negative 2x squared plus 27x minus 90. Look for a GCF first. Negative 2, positive 27, negative 90. Now I can't take out a 2 because 27 isn't divisible by 2, but we made that point earlier in the video here. That negative sign, I'm going to take that out. I could pretend that that's a negative 1 as my common term. It makes life a lot easier to deal with if the leading term isn't negative. So now I have 3 terms. I'm going to split the middle. I want 2 numbers that add to negative 27 and multiply to 2 times 90, 180. I want 2 numbers that multiply to 180 and add to negative 27. That's negative 15 and negative 12. You've got to be careful with your signs here. If we're multiplying and get a positive, that means either the 2 numbers are positive or the 2 numbers are negative. And since the answer is negative, or the sum is negative rather, that means that these 2 need to be negative as well. Pay attention to that. The negatives and positives, they can get a little bit tricky at times. But those are the things I'm going to go with. The negative 1 is still sitting out in front. 2x squared minus 15x minus 12x plus 90. Take a common term out of these. Looks like just x is all I can take out. So I have x times 2x minus 15 out of negative 12 and 90. That negative sign means I'm going to take a negative sign out. And looks like negative 6 will work because that gives me 2x minus 15. Put the negative 1 out in front. And so that finally gives me negative 1 times x minus 6 times 2x minus 15. If we had done negative 12x and negative 15, we probably would have ended up with this same answer, but in the opposite order. So it's all kind of the same thing. So that's splitting the middle.